top, blockchains out there. So what is Chainlink, the Link token, and the 2024 roadmap? So I wrote an in-depth article on Web3 Money. You guys know this if you guys follow the channel. And so you guys could check it out in depth, later, but why don't we go ahead and get started? So Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts on blockchains with real world data. It was created in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis to solve the Oracle problem of blockchains, the inability for blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds. Chainlink acts as a middleware, providing a decentralized network of nodes to retrieve data from off-chain sources like APIs, aggregated and feed into smart contracts on various platforms. So in a paradoxical way, or in a weird way, even though blockchain and crypto is supposed to be removing the middleman, they are being the middleman so that there is no middleman for data, which is kind of like, it's weird. I'm not going to get into it because that's not the point. The point is to go ahead and just do research on the project itself and what it provides. So whatever off-chain data there is inside of the world, whether it's stock prices, real estate prices, whether it's cost of goods or retail, clothing, whatever it may be, and you want to bring it on chain, this is exactly what Chainlink does, and we'll be talking about some examples in just a bit. And so the Oracle goes ahead and gathers all the information and provides that for everyone on chain. So Chainlink was founded by Sergey and Steve, as we mentioned. Nazarov has background in decentralized peer-to-peer marketplaces, while Ellis worked on securing smart contract systems. There are some key personnel if you guys are interested. This is Sergey himself. If you guys are interested in, listening to his presentation, keynotes, podcast, you guys should definitely check it out right here. The value proposition. So Chainlink's main value is providing secure and reliable oracles to power hybrid smart contracts by connecting blockchains to real-world data, as we just mentioned. Chainlink greatly expands what smart contracts can do. Some key use cases include DeFi. So Chainlink provides price feeds for powering, lending, derivatives, stablecoins, etc. So think of like, Uniswap or maybe companies like DYDX or, OpenSea, whatever it may be. Insurance. So oracles could connect insurance smart contracts with IoT data, weather data, to automate payouts, etc. Gaming. Verifiable randomness from Chainlink VRF enables provably fair gaming and NFT distribution. So Chainlink aims to be the standard decentralized Oracle network used by all blockchains and smart contract applications. Its large ecosystem of node operators, data providers, and blockchain integrations make it the leading player in the Oracle space. And they've been there for quite some time. It's not like there's a project like, ADA, Cardano, who's been there and hasn't really provided value. Actually, Chainlink is one of the OGs of the ecosystem, and they are providing a lot of value. So the Link token is used to pay node operators for retrieving data for smart contracts. Smart contract creators must pay Link to node operators. So node operators also stake Link as collateral to ensure high quality services. There's a max supply of 1 billion Link tokens. 35% of tokens were sold in the ICO. 35% go to incentivize node operators, and 30% went to the company for continued development. As demand for Chainlink services grows, the demand and value of Link is expected to increase. I think this is going to be an interesting use case. We're going to talk about, the adoption in just a bit, but if you look at the demand for Link and what everything is going to be coming in the future when it comes to real world assets. And there was a nice tweet that I found on Chainlink that you guys could see. The future of assets is tokenized. IP, government bonds, corporate bonds, precious metals, private equities, carbon credits, collectibles, real estate, derivatives, equities, artwork, cash, and many more. They created a nice little diagram that incorporates everything that you would think about in terms of real world assets on the blockchain. So again, this is not financial advice for Link, but it does seem like they have a very bright future ahead. Chainlink has a large and active community. There are over 60,000 members in the official Discord, 200 followers on Twitter. Plus, the community includes developers building on Chainlink, node operators, data providers, researchers, and more. In terms of adoption, Chainlink is integrated with most major blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Chain, Avalanche, Solana, and more. They have over $60 billion in value across its entire ecosystem. We'll go ahead and check that out as well inside of some other websites. But Chainlink has also many data provider partnerships with companies like AccuWeather, Associated Press, Coinbase, Google Cloud, and more. And yeah, we're going to talk about the developments and roadmap, but let's just go ahead and go to CoinMarketCap first. So Chainlink is currently sitting at, what was it, number 14 at $20 a link token. Here it's available in most of the popular exchanges. Obviously very high liquidity. As we mentioned, a maximum supply of 1 billion link tokens. Currently, the fully diluted market cap is 20 billion, and they're sitting at 12. If you look at the all-time high, link actually went all the way to 46. I can only imagine what it could be like in 2024 or even the years ahead, when there's so many people who are going to be using real-world assets inside of the blockchain space. So is it going to break the all-time high? In my opinion, yes. I think that Chainlink is going to be very important as new institutional money comes about, when real companies come with real-world assets on the blockchain. So I think they're going to go with Link. It's obviously going to be the main, provider. I could be wrong in terms of, everything else, but definitely interesting what's been going on over the past year. So they were sitting at $7 in October, and since then has just been increasing like crazy, right? So that's a little bit about, the token itself. Let's go to their website, check it out. So connecting the world to blockchain. So you guys could see that, they have clients like the NBA, Synthetics, Lemonade, Swisscom, Compound, Nexus Mutual, Maker. They have a combination of Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 companies, all, needing data. So this is definitely something that is really cool when it comes to Chainlink. So Chainlink is the decentralized computing platform powering the verifiable web. I wonder how Chainlink could go ahead and help with artificial intelligence, generative AI, copying someone else, for example, like a politician, a businessman, high profile person inside of the internet. Is a technology able to be built on top of this technology to create, sort of service inside of the blockchain? I think that's an interesting thing to explore. We could see here that they have total transaction. I don't even know what this is. So like this is this is 600 million, 700 billion. I don't even know how to like say this. Is this 9 trillion? I could be wrong. Total transactions value enabled. That's a lot. If this is close to 10 trillion, this would be crazy, right? I know that 460,000. This is a lot. The transactions value enabled. So Chainlink TVE is calculating by taking the sum of the USD value associated with each transaction, utilizing price feed since the start of 2022. So this is only the start of 2022. This is not the total transactions, specifically passed through Chainlink. This is kind of like what has been verified, utilizing price feeds inside of the Chainlink ecosystem. So it's a little different. Why Chainlink is the global standard. Please, by the way, if I'm wrong in this, do let me know. I do want to know what really Chainlink TVE means in terms of its real essence. But I think it talks a little bit about in another place. We're going to go ahead and check that out. Okay, so let's see what's interesting. Here, market and data feeds. Let's see a video they created. Hi. 5 minutes. No. Overview. Okay. So real world data, Chainlink network, any blockchain, Chainlink network, real world events. So it's like it's taking this information with an input and giving an output on the other side. There's so many case studies with using Chainlink, which is very interesting. Let's see the ecosystem. Sell your data with Chainlink. Monetize your API. Become a node operator. There's some node operators like Vodafone, T-Mobile, Coinbase Cloud, Swisscom. Again, like not necessarily, Web3 native companies, right? Okay, so they apparently have a next generation speed Chainlink security product called data streams. Chainlink data streams pool-based architecture unlocks a new generation of high-throughput DeFi markets powered by transparent and decentralized infrastructure. So this is apparently a new product. You're able to go ahead and provide some very quick trading experiences, enable advanced on-chain risk management, protect users against front-running, decentralized on-chain execution. So some examples that are using data streams is GMX, GMX being part of the Arbitrum ecosystem, and PancakeSwap being part of the BNB and other. And so obviously this is technical. We're not going to get into it. That's not the point. The point is that they're able on-chain to provide a flawless experience the same way that you would think about when you're using Coinbase or Binance or whatnot. So which is on a user experience level, on a UI level, this is very, very, very important. So yeah, I think this is a good introduction for Chainlink. Climate markets, enterprise, insurance, gaming, these are some of the use cases. Again, real world assets, as we're going to see them more inside of this world, in the Web3 world, Link is going to be, very important, right? So verifiable source of randomness for smart contracts. So this is called VRF. Chainlink VRF provides cryptographically secure randomness for your blockchain-based applications. Why don't we go ahead and watch the video on VRF product specifically.
Randomness is essential to many blockchain applications because it creates unpredictability, which enables exciting gameplay, truly rare NFTs, and unbiased outcomes. However, obtaining a source of unpredictable, auditable, and tamper-proof randomness on the blockchain is difficult. On-chain randomness solutions like block hashes are subject to block withholding attacks by miners and validators, and therefore cannot be trusted. On the other hand, off-chain randomness solutions are opaque, requiring a high degree of trust that the centralized data provider won't manipulate the results to their benefit. Fortunately, Chainlink Verifiable Random Function, or VRF, was created to provide smart contract developers with a source of cryptographically secure randomness, invulnerable against manipulation. With every new request, Chainlink VRF generates a random number and cryptographic proof of how that number was determined, using a combination of unpredictable block data and an oracle's private key. The cryptographic proof is published and verified on-chain before the randomness is delivered to the application. This process ensures that the results are provably fair, verifiable, and tamper-proof. Chainlink VRF unlocks a whole new set of blockchain and off-chain use cases across gaming, where verifiably random character distribution and player matchmaking makes gameplay more unpredictable and exciting, or NFTs, where tamper-proof seeding of specific collectible traits can be used to mint truly rare NFTs, and even fair selection and ordering, where the provably fair distribution of high-demand items like token airdrops or the verifiably random selection of lucky draw winners can ensure unbiased outcomes. And now, Chainlink VRF v2 puts even more control in your hands by giving developers a more scalable, configurable, and gas-efficient on-chain randomness for NFT and gaming dApps. Get a provably fair, verifiable, and tamper-proof source of randomness for any application. Start using Chainlink VRF v2 today.
So this is one of the main products. Actually, it's been in the market for quite some time. So here they have a really nice use case. They mentioned NFTs. They mentioned gaming. So the VRF is something that is very important because in crypto, people really before VRF were very scared about maybe the founders or the team is taking the best traits of NFTs, or maybe the airdrops are not it's not coming from a good source, or it's being manipulated. So obviously this was a huge problem, and still could be a problem if people are not using it, right? Anyway, so this is a little bit about Chainlink overview. You guys could go ahead and again check the research I have done inside of the Web3 Money blog. You guys should definitely check it out. Just to wrap everything up, Chainlink is well positioned to continue its growth as the leading decentralized Oracle network as more enterprises and traditional systems integrate blockchains. They will need Chainlink's Oracle infrastructure. DeFi, NFTs, gaming, insurance, real estate. We talked about all the different use cases that could actually use it. More will continue to be a major growth vertical for Chainlink. Chainlink staking will launch soon, allowing link holders to earn rewards for helping secure the network. So pay attention to that. As Web3 developer, Chainlink aims to be a core piece of infrastructure that powers the world of hybrid smart contracts. Okay, this we talked about, and more. So I just want to go ahead and actually check the Chainlink staking. Chainlink staking, apparently V0.2 open for general access. So it's you could actually start using it. You could connect your wallet directly inside of staking.chainlink.com or .link. Just please make sure you're not using a specific website that has nothing to do with it, right? So again, we're inside of Chainlink. We'll be able to go ahead and use, where is it? Grand program, ecosystem, data providers. Where did I go ahead and use this? I'm trying to find the staking portal. Developers. Check the resources. View the app. Stake. Okay, so basically you would go here under economics inside of the menu for if you want to stake your Chainlink or your Link tokens to help secure the Chainlink network and earn rewards. You go inside of the main website of Chainlink. Please make sure that you're doing this properly. Underneath the menu economic, you will be going to staking, and staking will go ahead, or not even staking. You could go ahead on the left side, staking app. View this app and it will redirect you to staking.chainlink.chain.link, and you could see the pool of links that have already been filled. Currently, there's a 4.32% reward rate for the link staked, and that's about it. You have all these node operators that you could actually see, and everything is there. Maybe we'll do a technical session specifically on how to do the staking for Chainlink. And thank you guys so much for your time, and I hope to see you next time.